Hi friends. So if you're a 12th standard student in your academic year 23-24, which means you're doing your 12 board exams in March 24, then this video is for you. Please watch till the end. Now I know a lot of 12th standard students, at this point in time, you are in the process of struggling to complete your syllabus in college and your coaching classes. And soon, in a month's time, you will be getting into your zone where you're going to be preparing for your prelims. And then obviously board exams will come in the month of Feb and March. Now, one very important message for all of you all is that as soon as you finish your board exams in the month of Feb or March, you have a lot of time on hand, at least 2 to 3 months till you get your 12th standard board results in the month of June, right? And then after that, obviously, college process gets activated. Now, it's very, very vital that at this stage of your life, you make a decision of what career you want to pursue. And most professional careers ना वो 12th standard के बाद ही शुरुआत होता है, ठीक है? जैसे CA हो गया, ACC हो गया, कुछ career second year में शुरुआत होते हैं, जैसे CFA, etc. Now, मैं बहुत सारे 12th standard students को जानता हूँ, वो से कि board exam खत्म होगा, we'll take a chill, we'll take a break, फिर board result आएगा. बोर्ड रिजल्ट की बात सोचेंगे क्या करना है. फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे 12th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो सोचते हैं नहीं बोर्ड रिजल्ट तो आ गया, अभी काम करते हैं, कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हैं, एंड व्हेन वी गेट इनटू आवर फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर तक रुकता है, फिर डिसीजन लेते हैं, तो तब तक सितंबर अक्टूबर होता था. फिर बहुत स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं नहीं यार फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का वो खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर सेकंड सेमेस्टर लेते हैं. और उस तरीके से आई हैव सीन there are so many students who end up wasting the entire first year, okay? And let me just tell you that you will realize that only later that it is absolutely waste of productive time. So if you are a 12th standard student right now, a very clear message to you is, जैसे ही आपके board exams खत्म हुए, take your break, enjoy yourself for a month or so, but please start preparing for some relevant professional course in your summer holidays. Of course, now if your professional course is like a CA or a CS or a CMA or an ACCA, ये तुरंत शुरुआत हो जाती है, तो इनका प्रिपरेशन आप शुरू कर दें. अगर आप कोई ऐसा कोर्स चूज कर रहे हैं जिसकी शुरुआत नहीं होती है समर ब्रेक्स में, लेटर होती है, तो भी आप समर ब्रेक्स को एक्सटेंसिवली यूटिलाइज करें, doing some certificate courses, some workshops, something productive. Don't while of your time because it is absolutely waste of time. Particularly if I have to talk about ACCA as a course, because a lot of 12th standard students ask me that what's the right time to start ACCA if you're trying to do it after grade 12, because especially ACCA में exams काफ़ी flexible होते हैं. So I'll tell you the best time to start ACCA is maybe a month's time after your board exam, okay? Now as you all know ACCA में totally 13 पेपर होते हैं, लेकिन अब ACCA ने नया रूल बना दिया है where if you are a student from selected universities in India, and quite a few, most of the universities like University of Mumbai, University of Delhi, and quite a few other universities, about 80 plus list है universities का. If you're a student from those universities, and if you're a BCom student, when you submit your first semester BCom mark sheet, and typically first semester mark sheet आपको आ जाती है by the time it's November, December, say 2024 in your case, you are exempted from 5 papers. मतलब अब आपको, as you can see on your screens, सिर्फ 4 पेपर देने हैं skills level के और 4 पेपर देने हैं professional level के, and you can qualify as an ACCA. But having said that, can you suddenly start preparing for the 4 papers of skills level? Definitely not. आपको base अभी आता नहीं है. So what we always recommend is you need to do base work. You need to do a bridge course which grills you, which prepares you for the fundamentals before you can actually attack the skills level papers. So synthesis learning, typically what we do is we feel that of the various papers, again as you can see on your screens, paper 2 and 3 are very, very important papers because उसके base के बिना तो आगे काम हो ही नहीं सकता. तो paper 2 which is management accounting and paper 3 which is financial accounting, जो आपका base बनाता है, उसका हम एक बहुत detailed bridge course करते हैं. We train you, we get you very, very solid with your concepts. हालांकि आप इसकी एग्जाम नहीं देते because ये exempted है ना? So ये exempted papers है, but ये papers आप bridge course करके then you start preparing for your skills papers. और जो 4 skills papers आपको करने हैं, as again you can see on your screens, is paper 7 financial reporting, paper 8 audit assurance, paper 9 financial management, and paper 5 performance management. So typically the life of a student is that April, May, June, July, you sort of do the bridge course for paper 2 and 3. Then you start preparing for your skills exams. Now the first skills paper, if you're a grade 12 student now, you can appear in March of 2024. March of 2025. Why? Because आपको December 2024 में first sem का marksheet मिलेगा, वो आप submit करोगे, you will get your 5 exemptions. तो ACCA के एग्जाम्स जो 4 टाइम्स दे होते हैं, विच इज़ मार्च, जून, सितंबर एंड दिसंबर, आप मार्च 25 में पेपर्स दे पाओगे। तो हम आपको 1 से 2 पेपर की तैयारी करा देते हैं फॉर मार्च ऑफ 2025, 1 पेपर इन जून 25, 1 इन सितंबर 25। तो एक्चुअली सितंबर 25 तक आपका पूरा स्किल्स लेवल खत्म हो सकता है, बट प्रोवाइडेड you start in April 2024 with a solid bridge course. So do a bridge course for 3 months, then start preparing for 3 to 4 months, then start preparing for your skills papers. Try to do 1 to 2 papers in March 24, June and September. So between September and December 24, you're done with your skills level.
And once you finish your skills level, by then you need, say, 1 more year for the professional level, because again wahan 4 papers hain, and if you do 1 at a time, say comfortably by September of, let's say, 2026 or December of 2026, you should have finished your ACCA, and that's actually before you complete your graduation or while you complete your 3rd year of graduation.